Like our eating. Subscribe and like.
It is rooster. A rooster is a handsome bird and the big man on campus raises the farm. It has a long tail, feathers, long comb and wattles. It is a duck. Dog is a pet animal. A dog has sharp teeth, so it can eat flesh very easily. It has 4 legs, 2 ears, 2 eyes and tails, a mouth and a nose. It is a very clever animal. It runs very fast, barks loudly. Goose, a large bird with loud, honking calls. These birds are equal at home, on the water, on the land, or in the air. It is cow. Cow is a pet animal, and many people keep her in their house for many purposes. It gives us a very healthy and nutritious food called milk. A cow has 2 small eyes and ears, a big nose, 2 sharp horns, and a long tail. It is giraffe. It has both their long legs. Giraffe eats only plants, and it uses his long neck and tongue to reach his favorite foods. It is sheep. It is used to make clothing, blankets, and other materials. Sheep can stay warm even on cold winter days, thanks to their warm wool coat. It is donkey. A donkey is a 4-legged domestic farm animal with service that related to the horse. Donkeys are known for the braying sound they make and their long ears. It is deer. Deer are large animals. They live in woodland, grassland. They have white patch on their head, long legs, and slender body.